Today we're introducing the Sirius BackCountry. It is a very capable luxury STOL aircraft, capable of sub 200 foot takeoffs and sub 100 foot landings with up to 2,200 feet per minute climb and an incredible 145 knot true airspeed cruise above 10,000.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Join AOPA today. Thanks to Lightspeed for sponsoring this video. Click below to learn more about the Lightspeed Delta Zulu.
So this aircraft boasts a lot of amenities. As you can see, it is an all-composite aircraft. A lot of nice little features that come with this plane. We have a luggage pod on the bottom that can be modified. It can carry one wheels, it can carry electric scooters, or it can be modified to carry luggage, camping equipment, tents, possibly skis. We have about 7 cubic feet of luggage space in the back of this aircraft with a new luggage door that's designed for this plane. We utilize the Alaskan bush wheel, the 26-inch or the 29-inch wheels with a Acme Stinger tail. The wing on this aircraft, which was first introduced in 2015 in the USA as the tricycle-gear Sirius, has excellent slow flight characteristics. Very mild, very easy, doesn't brake in a stall. It's very difficult to get it to brake in a stall, so it works very well in this application as a tail dragger to get in and out of small spaces. So what separates this aircraft out from the other contenders in the STOL market is that this is more of a luxury STOL aircraft, a luxury backcountry aircraft. Very well appointed, like I said, it's all composite, very clean design, which is what attributes to the 145 knot true airspeed cruise. This, with the large wheels, you're able to get into those sandbars, you're able to land in some rough terrain off airport. But the main thing that separates this out is the fit and finish, the comfort, and the ability to take this plane the distance with the speed that it provides. We've all been waiting for Mosaic. We're very excited now that that has been published. This aircraft will fit in the category. The cost for this aircraft starts at around $270,000 with the 912. If you install the 916, you can put oxygen in this aircraft, you can outfit it with IFR instrumentation. You're at about $320 to $340 fully loaded. So we are very excited about this new aircraft. TL does produce 6 different types in our lineup, but this aircraft is going to allow a whole new mission for our customers, those that really want to get out and go adventure seeking and get into the backcountry. You can find us at www.tlsportaircraft.com.